Using Google Earth Pro image overlay, we can make some stunning visualization or animation. We can also make some text image overlay on any mountain surface. So let's see how to do it. Here we have some images, one map image and two texts as image. All of the images are with transparent background. Open Google Earth Pro and for image overlay, click Add Image Overlay button. Before clicking this button, it's better to zoom to your area first. It is easier to align the image overlay. Then click this image overlay and let's name it Madagascar and browse. Select the image and open. Now we can reduce the opacity for better alignment. With the edge handles, we can resize the image, and with the middle plus sign we can move. To rotate, we can use this diamond shape. When you are done, increase the opacity and click OK. Now you see we have made a nice overlay. For presentation, it works great. Now if we want to change the properties, we can right click on the layer and go to properties. Now you can move and rotate again or change the opacity. We can change the altitude. Now it is clamped to the ground. If you want to move it up, you should select absolute and then increase to the space. Now if we see, we can see that it is hanging on the air. Now let's click OK. We can also add the image overlay to a terrain surface like a mountain. Let's search for Mount Everest. And we can see the 3D mountain. With your middle mouse button, you can change the orbit. Make sure your terrain is turned on, otherwise you cannot see it 3D. Now let's add another overlay. Browse and click image 1. It's better to see it from the top. Let's cancel it and create again. Add image overlay, browse and click image 1. Okay, now we can see the image. Let's reduce the size and move it to our location. Suppose we want to put it in this mountain wall. Let's rotate move. Let's reduce the size a bit. Let's click OK and add another one. Browse and image 2, open. Let's reduce the size. It's better to see it from the top layer, it's easier. Reduce the size and move it to our location. Move and rotate. Now let's click OK. Now you can see our text is hanging on the wall of the mountain. In short period of time we can make great visualization with this trick. Now if you want, you can make a tour. For that you can click this and turn on this and then go to any point. It is now recording. When you are done, click finish, and then now we can save this tour. Let's save it as untitled tour. Okay, and this tour is now saved. We can export this tour as a video. For that, click tools. Let's close this and then go to tools, click movie maker. From movie maker you can select the video size and also output type, picture quality and frame per second, and then you can create a movie. And here is our final animation. Thanks for watching.